Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate investment tracking with Mint, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Mint website. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in your details to create a new account. Once signed up, log in to your Mint account. On the dashboard, locate the option to add accounts. Click on the Add Accounts button. You will see a list of financial institutions. Select your bank or investment account from the list. Enter your login credentials for that financial institution. Mint will then securely connect to your account. After the connection is established, select the investment accounts you want to track. Ensure that you choose both the transaction and balance options. Click Done to integrate your selected accounts into Mint. Once your accounts are added, Mint will sync your data. Navigate to the Investments tab on the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your investments. Mint categorizes your investments automatically. Review the categories to make sure they align with your preferences. If needed, manually categorize any investments that are misclassified. To customize your investment tracking, go to the Settings icon. In the settings, you can adjust notifications and account preferences. Set alerts for significant changes in your portfolio's value. Regularly review your investments dashboard for updates on your performance. Mint will continuously track your investments automatically. Explore additional financial tools offered by Mint. This will help you enhance your overall financial management. Remember to check back frequently for updates and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.